All right, my beautiful people, I always give my compliments about my skin, so I'm going to show you what I do at nighttime. So, obviously, after taking a shower, washing my hair, my face, all that good stuff, the first thing I'm going to do with my face is going to be exfoliate my skin. That's going to be the first thing I do. So, I'm just going to put a little bit of my Clinique. This is the 4, because I am oily skin. And what this does, it exfoliates your whole skin after washing. It gives everything else that your makeup remover or washing thing did not get. So, volume. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is serum. This is from Double Serum from Clarins. I love this stuff, especially if you're a little bit older like me. It targets everything you could think of, which I love and appreciate. Now, a serum is going to penetrate the skin, go really in the skin, get all that good stuff. So make sure you do that. And the next thing I'm going to do is going to be the moisturizer, because one's gonna penetrate the skin, the other one's gonna be the top layer of the skin to keep and like that moisture in. Now this is from IT Cosmetics. This is the Beauty Sleep. I love this. It smells really, really nice, and I'm not really too much of a lavender person, but this I do like. I like. Now, taking good care of your skin is definitely a big must and a plus. Believe me, you definitely want to do that. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do, this from Exuviance. This is going to help with my lips. It's going to help with the lines and wrinkles in my lips. Because this is one thing I feel like a lot of people do forget about, and you don't want to forget. All right. So that one is the Exuviance for the lips. Now, the most important part for me is always my eyes, because, girl, a lot of things that we do during the day, my goodness, it needs a lot of hydration and moisture up in there and lock it in. So this obviously helps with aging, all that good stuff, the lines and wrinkles, keep the moisture in, make sure it doesn't have those dark circles, because I don't want to look like I ain't got no sleep, like I'm just so exhausted and tired, because you know your girl, when you work and got kids, it's a thing. All right, and last but not least, what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab, this is from Beekman, this is the milkshake. I love this, it's going to keep all the nice hydration, balance out my oils, all that good stuff. So this one, I'm going to just shake, and then spray. Boom. And that's it. So remember, definitely always take care of your skin. Especially, it just feels so good to pamper yourself. So let me know, what is your favorite skincare? Let your girl know.